Let's get real. Does your phone hesitate when you open apps or type a message? That split-second lag, it's not just age. It's hidden settings slowing you down. You miss photos, maps stutter, and it feels like your phone can't keep up. Manufacturers load devices with flashy animations and battery savers, but that's not always best for speed. Today, we'll unlock your phone's hidden speed. No sketchy apps, just built-in settings. We'll make your device feel faster than the day you bought it. Ready to ditch the lag? Let's dive in. We're about to change how your phone feels, permanently. Stick around if you want your phone to finally keep up with you. Let's get started. First up, developer mode. This is a hidden set of tools built into every Android phone, designed for advanced users and app creators. But don't worry, you don't need to be a tech wizard to use it. Sounds scary, but it's your ticket to real speed. With just a few tweaks, you can unlock performance most people never experience. To get started, go to Settings, scroll down to About Phone, and tap Build number 7 times. You might need to enter your PIN or password for security. Once you do, developer options will appear in your settings menu, like unlocking a secret door. Inside, don't get lost. Focus on animation scales. These control how quickly your phone shows visual effects when opening or closing apps, switching screens, or navigating menus. The 3 settings you want are Window Animation Scale, Transition Animation Scale, and Animator Duration Scale. Change each from 1x to 0.5x. This halves the time for every animation, making your phone feel much faster without losing the smooth look. Instantly, your phone feels snappier. Apps open and close with a satisfying speed, and everything just moves quicker. Want pure speed? Turn animations off completely. Menus pop up instantly, but it's a bit abrupt and can feel jarring if you're used to smooth transitions. I recommend 0.5x for a balance of speed and polish. It's fast, but still looks good. No harsh jumps or stutters. This tweak reduces your phone's workload, freeing up resources for what matters. Less time spent on fancy effects means more power for your apps and games. You'll notice apps open faster, and the UI feels more responsive. Even older phones can feel brand new with this simple change. For gamers, ignore Force 4x MSAA unless you want prettier graphics at the cost of battery and speed. It's tempting, but it can slow things down and drain your battery much faster. Keep it off for best performance. Only turn it on if you're after maximum graphics quality and don't mind charging more often. Now, background processes. In developer options, find background process limit. This controls how many apps can run in the background at once. If your phone is slow, set it to at most 4 processes or fewer. This stops unused apps from hogging memory and keeps your device focused. This forces your phone to focus on what you're doing now, great for older devices or if you multitask less. With just a few taps, you've unlocked a hidden control panel. Most users never even see these options, but now you're in control. These changes alone can make your phone feel up to 40% faster. It's like giving your device a free upgrade. No new hardware needed. No hacks, no risk. Just smarter settings. Everything here is reversible, so you can always go back if you want. Don't mess with other options unless you know what you're doing. Some settings can cause problems if changed without understanding them. Stick to these tweaks for a real speed boost. You'll enjoy a smoother, faster phone every day. Next, let's cut down on graphics for even more speed. Ready? Let's go. Transition to next scene. Animations are faster, making your phone feel more responsive and lively. But what about the rest of your phone's visuals? All those flashy effects and moving backgrounds might look cool, but they can slow things down. Ditch live wallpapers. They drain CPU and RAM and can even eat up your battery faster than you think. Use a static image instead. It's easier on your phone's resources and still lets you show off your style. Widgets are mini apps running non-stop. Keep only the essentials, weather, calendar, or maybe your music controls. Fewer widgets, chance faster home screen. A clean layout means less for your phone to process every time you unlock it. If your launcher feels sluggish, try a lightweight one like Nova or Action Launcher. These launchers are designed for speed and customization. Some phones let you lower screen resolution. Drop from QHD Plus to FHD Plus for smoother performance and better battery. You'll barely notice the difference in sharpness, but your phone will thank you. Avoid high-performance modes for daily use. They can cause overheating and slowdowns, especially during long sessions. In accessibility settings, enable remove animations or reduce transparency for a basic but speedy UI. These tweaks are great for older phones too. Think of it as stripping out unnecessary weight. Every effect you remove frees up power and helps your phone run cooler. The goal isn't ugly, just efficient. You can still have a phone that looks good and runs great. Experiment. Maybe keep your favorite widget, but lose the live wallpaper. Find the right mix for your needs. The more you trim, the snappier your phone feels. Up to 25% faster in daily use. You'll notice apps opening quicker and less lag overall. It's all about balance. Find what works for you. Don't be afraid to try new settings and see what makes your phone feel best. Don't be afraid to try different combinations. Sometimes, small changes make a big difference. Every little change adds up. Over time, these tweaks can transform your phone's performance. Now, let's tackle storage, another hidden speed killer. Clearing out old files can make a huge difference. Ready to clear some space? Let's do it! Freeing up storage is one of the quickest ways to boost speed. Transition to next scene. Storage isn't just for files, it's crucial for speed. Your phone's storage acts like its workspace, and when it's cluttered, everything slows down. Think of it like a desk. If it's covered in papers, it's hard to get anything done quickly. When your phone's nearly full, every action takes longer. Apps lag, photos take ages to open, and even simple tasks feel sluggish. To keep things running smoothly, always aim to have at least 15-20% of your storage free. This gives your phone the breathing room it needs to operate efficiently. Head to Settings. Storage to see exactly what's eating up your space. You might be surprised by what's taking up the most room. Photos and videos are usually the biggest culprits. Back them up to the cloud, then use Free Up Space. Cloud storage is a lifesaver for keeping memories safe while freeing up your device. Uninstall unused apps. If you haven't opened it in a month, let it go. Old games, duplicate apps, or forgotten tools can all be cleared out. Clear out offline content in apps like Spotify or Netflix. Downloaded music, podcasts, and shows can pile up fast. Messaging apps can hoard media, clear their caches, and disable auto-downloads to stop your storage from filling up with memes and videos. In storage, clear cached data for all apps. It's just temporary files that can be safely deleted to free up space instantly. Don't forget your downloads folder. Delete old files you don't need. PDFs, images, and random downloads can add up over time. Make this a monthly habit for best results. Set a reminder so your phone stays fast and clutter-free all year round. Freeing up space gives your phone room to breathe, boosting speed by up to 35%. You'll notice apps launching faster and less lag overall. Storage cleanup is simple but powerful. Don't underestimate it. Just a few minutes can make your phone feel brand new. Next, let's control what runs in the background. Managing background apps is the next step to keeping your phone speedy. Ready to tame those hidden apps? Let's move on. Transition to next scene. Even with storage cleared, Background apps can slow you down. Multitasking is great, but too many apps running is like a noisy room. Your phone can't focus. Go to Settings, BIOS apps. Pick a resource hogging app, tap battery, and restrict background activity. On newer Android, set non-essential apps to restricted. In mobile data and Wi-Fi, turn off background data for apps that don't need it. Be selective. Keep messaging and email running, but restrict games and shopping apps. Don't just swipe apps away. Let Android manage frequently used ones. Use background restrictions for the rest. This frees up RAM and CPU, making your phone smoother and extending battery life. 10 minutes of tweaking can boost speed by up to 30%. Take control. Decide what deserves your phone's attention. Next, let's stop surprise slowdowns from automatic updates. Ready? Here's how. Transition to next scene. 16. Automatic updates sound convenient, but they can slow your phone at the worst times. Open Play Store, Settings, Network Preferences, Auto Update Apps. Set to Don't Auto Update Apps. Now, you choose when to update. Do it manually when it's convenient. For system updates, turn off Auto Download over Wi-Fi in Settings, System Software Update. Your phone will notify you, but won't download until you approve. Check your favorite apps for auto download settings. Turn off background downloads you don't need. This prevents random slowdowns and keeps your phone responsive. Updates are important. Just do them on your schedule. By controlling updates, you avoid surprise performance drops. It's a simple change for a smoother experience. Now, let's see the results of all these tweaks. Ready for the final test? Let's wrap up. Transition to next scene. 16. We've covered developer mode, graphics, storage, background apps, and updates. On my test device, app launch times dropped by over 60%. It's a difference you feel. Try just one tweak, like animation scale, and time your favorite apps before and after. Share your results in the comments. How much faster is your phone now? The top 5 most detailed entries win a free maintenance toolkit. Keeping your phone fast is about good habits and taking control. Don't settle for defaults. Tune your phone to fit you. What setting made the biggest difference for you? Any secret tricks? Let's talk in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time. 10.